Alright, we'll do it properly this time. No, I really like this. I am going to turn this, I think, now into like a game that I play. So I think it's quite cool in a way, just seeing how many shrines I can find. I am going to do it for charity as well, but I do also kind of want to do it just because I don't know, I just find it really interesting. I don't know, I just like doing it. I'm trying to think about how it compares. I know in England we have sort of churches, but I just love how, I probably didn't quite show it off enough. I'll zoom in, so I don't want to make the video too long, but over there you just see the houses, and I just love how, like, they've just got this sort of sacred place, this bit of greenery. It's very Japan in a way because of the nature element. And there's even a house over there, but you're basically just walking through, you know, that torii gate, and everything sort of changes into nature, into sort of Shinto, I guess. I don't know, I just find that quite, I don't know, it's just cool. I don't know, I think because I find it quite mystical, the sort of the Shinto stuff, and then also the torii gate, and that sort of change from, you know, all these buildings. I know that they're quite traditional in a way. I mean, I passed an absolutely lovely sort of traditional looking house as well, but just that kind of, yeah, the transition. And I just love how quiet these ones are, like, again, like, without sounding like, the cameras are very interesting me, but who would, I mean, if you vandalise these, you're a terrible human being, simply put. And then these, are these vandalised? I think they are, aren't they? Because I think they're the just like at Susa Shrine, I think they're probably meant to be the Caringians, or however you pronounce them. I'm sorry. There's a very hungry caterpillar on there. I hope you understand that reference. But you know, they look like they've been sort of downtrodden a bit, actually, which is nice and bad in a way. I mean, I like it because it kind of shows the age of the place, but it's bad in a way. But I don't know whether someone's taken a whack at them or whether they've just worn as they've aged, which is probably the case. I mean, you see some cracks on the bottom of that one. But no, what a lovely place. And I've seen one of these ones. I mean, some of the cats in Japan videos I've watched, I've seen them sort of on top of this. So I don't know if you're meant to. I don't think you are. I think it's meant to be a sort of shrine type place. I'll have to do that though if I can find some cats. Take some videos of that. My mum will love that, but yeah, it'll get views. It gets views. But again, that's quite weather beaten on the top as well. But no, really cool actually. I think, as I said, I'm going to make this my thing in Japan. Shrine hunting. Awesome. And there's actually that's really cool. I actually really like that. I can't, because I've got no Wi-Fi, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it now. Hopefully I can later. But that's really cool. I like how they've done that, because that adds a lot to it as well, actually. I'd like to read more about that. But yeah, these places are, I don't know, I just find it really mystical and really sort of interesting. I don't know why. I think just because I'm interested in the Japanese stuff in a way, but, you know, I don't know, I guess it just ties into their mythology and their belief system, which I do quite like. And there's a sort of tap there. Yeah. So that was shrine number 4. I've managed to do 4 so far. I think I can easily do over 100, because I am going to count these smaller ones. So, yeah, bring it on. I'll be interested to see how many I can do this week. Let's go for 50. We'll see. All right. See you on the next one.